gentlemen, welcome aboard the Kemah Boardwalk Railroad, a gas-powered handmade replica of an 1863 Central Pacific steam engine train that will take you through this 60-acre entertainment complex that we are proud to call the Kemah Boardwalk. Please stay seated and keep your hands and feet inside the train at all times. Landry's Seafood House. This historic site opened in 1947 and has been home to Landry's since 1989. Once an illegal gambling hotspot, the restaurant has survived several hurricanes and still stands proudly today. Hundreds of watercraft pass by on their way to Galveston Bay and beyond. Did anyone know that Clear Lake is the third largest yachting community in the entire U.S.? As we venture around the bend, get ready to scream as we journey through the mysterious Kima Tunnel. You can barbecue it, boil it, broil it, bake it, saute it, make shrimp kebabs, shrimp creole, shrimp gumbo, pan-fried, deep-fried, stir-fried. Famous Flying Dutchman Restaurant and Oyster Bar. This restaurant offers outside casual dining with great views of the bay. Provide great fun for the family. We're now about to enter the Grand Events Plaza. This great outdoor environment plays host to live entertainment, music festivals, and a playground to keep the children happy. We guarantee it will provide hours of fun. Check out our calendar of events on the sign by the entrance to see what event you want to come to this year. Coming up, you will see the Aquarium, a unique 3-level restaurant, home to over 70,000 gallons of water and over 100 different species of fish. Enjoy incredible seafood specialties as you dine amongst the fish and coral. Over at the Stingray Reef attraction, you can actually pet and feed the stingrays. So cool. summer days, why not take a walk through our dancing fountains? A great way to cool off if you dare. In the background, you'll see our Boardwalk Inn with 52 spectacular rooms and quaint cafes. A great getaway to relax and recharge. And don't forget, over 20 shops filled with gifts for all ages. Time so far? Yeah. Let me hear it. Great. You know what to do in the Kima tunnel. Come on, everyone. Scream! We have a great view of Galveston Bay. Galveston Bay is an estuary with a mixture of salt water from the Gulf of Mexico and fresh water from creeks and streams inland. Interestingly, Galveston Bay averages only 7 to 9 feet in depth. Have any of you braved the Boardwalk Beach Speedboat thrill ride? Just a warning, you will get soaked. The perfect ride for those hot summer days. Now approaching Saltgrass Steakhouse. Did I mention the Saltgrass Sheriff asked us to keep an eye out for a band of outlaws roaming our Saltgrass territory? we're caught in the middle of a gunfight.
Gunfight? Where? Where's the gunfight?
How you dance? Is everyone okay? It looks like those outlaws finally met their match. Thank you for riding with us today. Please remain seated and inside the train until it has come to a complete stop. As we reopen our rides and restaurants, we will continue to practice and take part in preventative measures to ensure the safety of you and your family. Thank you for choosing to visit us today, and please continue to practice your social distancing, hand washing, and hand sanitizing. Please exit to the left and rear of the train, and enjoy your day at the Kemah Boardwalk.